Alright, so this problem is asking us to figure out the height of a horse and converting between units. In the part A, we're converting from hands, which turns out to be 1/3 of a foot, and we're going to convert it into feet. So, down here, we're going to write what we're given, and we've got a horse that's 19.2 hands, and the other thing that we're given is that one hand is equal to 1/3 feet. So whenever we're doing these conversions, what you do is you start by writing what you're given. I set up my crossbar, and I use my conversion factor, this over here, to convert from one to the other. What's nice is the units tell you how to set it up. So I want hands to be out of my answer and feet to be in my answer. So I'm going to write one hand down below, 1/3 feet up above, hands cancel, and I'm just going to take my calculator and multiply 19.2 by 1/3, keeping in keeping our answer here to 6.4 feet. Now the second part of this problem is asking us for calculating the height of the horse in meters. This horse stands at, let me switch over to the paintbrush here, stands at 17.8 hands. There's going to be a couple of things that we're going to need to help solve this problem as well. So for part B, it's always a good idea to write down what you're given again. We're going to use that hands to feet conversion. So one hand is 1/3 of a foot. A couple of other things that will help you solve this problem are a couple of other conversion factors. On a test or a quiz, I'll give you any of the ones that you need. If during a homework problem like this you don't have access to them, just feel free to do a Google search and see what you come up with. So we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters, and 1 foot, if you look at a ruler, if you flip it over, you'll also notice that's just about 30.5 centimeters. So we're going to write down what we're given, 17.8 hands. And what we want to do is kind of come up with a plan here. So I can easily convert hands to feet, but that doesn't give me meters. But here I can do feet to centimeters, which then I can convert easily to meters. So I'm going to convert hands to feet first, and I'm going to put hands down in the denominator so I can get rid of the units hands. They're going to cancel. And then I'm going to convert feet to centimeters. I know that 1 foot is 30.5 centimeters. And then lastly, I can convert centimeters to meters. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. And I put all those units where they were so they would cancel out. So if I plug these into my calculator, 17.8 times 1/3 times 30.5, divide that answer by 100 centimeters, I'm going to get 1.81 meters tall. I use 3 significant figures because the least number of significant figures in my problem is 3. So this would be my answer for that one. And then part C, what we have is a horse that's 20.5 hands tall, and we need to transport it in a trailer. The roof of the trailer needs to provide 3 feet of vertical clearance. What is the minimum height of the trailer in feet? So what we're going to do is we're going to convert these hands to feet, and then when we're going to add, when we figure that out, we'll add 3 feet to it. So I'm going to take 20.5 hands. I'm going to convert that using my conversion factor, 1/3 feet in 1 hand, and that's going to give me 6.83 feet. To this, we need some clearance for the horse's head. We're going to have 3 feet over top. So this will give us 9.83 feet for our horse trailer. And that's how you solve problem number 35.